Welcome to this quick introduction to Flask, a lightweight and powerful Python web framework. Flask is perfect for beginners who want to build simple, scalable web applications without unnecessary complexity. It's called a micro-framework because it keeps things minimal, yet it's powerful enough for real-world projects. To get started, install Flask using pip. Then create a basic app file called app.py. Inside it, you import Flask, create an app object, and define your first route. This route will return a message like "Hello Flask" when visited in the browser. To run the application, type Flask run in your terminal. Flask will start a development server on your local machine, usually on port 5000. You can now open the browser and view your app at localhost 5000. Next, let's explore routing. Flask allows you to define multiple routes with optional parameters. For example, you can greet users dynamically using a route like /user/John. Want to handle form submissions? Flask supports HTTP methods like post and get. You can access form data using the request object from Flask. Simply create an HTML form and send data to your Flask app to process it on the back end. Flask also uses the Jinja 2 templating engine to help you build dynamic HTML pages. Instead of mixing Python code with HTML, Flask separates logic using templates. You can render variables and loops directly in your HTML files, keeping your code clean and organized. With these basic tools, you're now ready to build a web application using Flask. Start small and expand your project as you learn more. Thanks for watching this Flask crash course.